Challenges in life are inevitable, but being defeated is optional. Obstacles don't have to stop you. If you find yourself in a difficult spot, don't turn around and give up. Figure out how to go through it.
Should I go over top? Should I go nice piece of wood for fire?
Figure out how to work around it or climb it.
Like this is very challenging. It has all the elements that you need. You have downhill, you have uphill, you have trees, you have rocks. You have a river, very nice fast river right there, right in front of you. If you want to cross, want to go explore on the other side. And that's the way it should be, that's life. We need to look our life every single day like this. Big challenging. And not quit. You gotta go through it, you gotta make it work. Well, one thing you need to make sure about it, to have everything you need, because you never know if you're going to need it. It's better having not need it than need it and not having it. Well, I think sometimes you walk along the river and you find like creeks that goes straight to the river. So if you follow them, you're probably going to find beautiful spots like this. Unbelievable. Perfect place to sit down, make a meal and relax. Make a fire and relax. So there's a rock over here already sitting and it's pretty big. So I'm gonna use this rock over here as my fire pit. I'm gonna maybe put another rock across from it so this way I can put my grill, make a fire underneath, and make some breakfast. Beautiful flat rock right over here, quite heavy. So it could be a table, could be a hot surface. But for today, it's gonna be my fire pit. I'm gonna elevate this guy a little bit off the ground so this way I have air. Ooh. Here we go. I have air, so there's ants everywhere. Hopefully those are not the ones that give you those nasty bites, because I'm gonna put my fire right here. So once I lit up the fire, you're probably gonna go away. Again, dry wood. And that thing that I say it all the time, every time you swing your axe, no matter how big or small it is, always get your fingers away from it. I've seen people having nasty cuts because they kept their fingers near the axe, and it could be bad cut. This is going to be enough for a nice little something to warm up my stomach. I'm going to leave the link down below for this guy right here. Very nice, portable, small, and very sharp axe that you can find. I'm going to leave the link down below. Go check it out. A lot of airflow, so whatever you put in the bottom, you will catch very fast. Soon you have a nice, very hot fire. I'm not even going to bother taking it off from the skillet. The beauty is to eat right here. Let me see. The pan is a little bit hot, but I can rest right here. I ran out of wood. I just came for a quick breakfast. I always carry this guy with me, just that boiler. Usually do when it's winter time. It's very cold, so I have it with me all the time. Much better place to have a breakfast and a coffee. Thanks for watching.